Hello, freshmen. Welcome back again. This is the week of October 13th, a short week this week, and we are actually going to be wrapping up the Odyssey this week, I hope. I'm being optimistic when I say we're concluding the Odyssey for this week. So if you're watching this video, then you've already found Watch This First. Click on number 1, Membean Makeup Week. And notice what it says, due to this shortened week, because nobody's at school on Monday, there will be no Membean training required for this week. However, if you have a 0 for training for any week since the beginning of the year, and that might be you, you may complete double the normal minutes. Yes, that means 60 minutes instead of 30, while maintaining 50% accuracy. And I will change one of your zeros to a 100. Again, you have to do twice as many minutes. 60 minutes is a lot. So I recommend that you break it up into 4 15-minute chunks or to 6 10-minute chunks. Do not try to do all that 60 minutes together because it is very hard to keep that 50% accuracy for an hour. Okay. Number 2. No red ink remediation for misplaced modifiers. If you passed your misplaced modifiers growth quiz with at least a 70, this assignment does not apply to you unless you want to better your original grade. And if you do, I'll give you instructions in just a moment. However, if you failed your misplaced modifiers growth quiz, you are going to complete more practice and take another quiz again this week with the hope that it will be a better score and it will replace your original failing growth quiz grade. So you need to click on the link below to go to No Red Ink. And when you do, it'll look like this. And then you need to go up here to where it says Past Work. Click on Past Work and your growth quiz will be here. Now this fella here, he scored a 60 on this. So he is going to have to do some more practice and take the growth quiz. Now, so he will come back over here to home and there will eventually be an assignment here under your assignments that says misplaced modifiers practice 2, and there will be another one that says misplaced modifiers growth quiz 2, and you will complete the practice first and the growth quiz second. And then if your growth quiz grade is better, which hopefully it will be, then I will use it to replace your original growth quiz grade. If your score is above a 70 on the original quiz, but you want to make it better, you need to email me to let me know that you are not satisfied with that 70 or 80 or whatever it is. Email me to let me know, and then I will add you to these same assignments up here for C, and then you can complete them. But if your score is a 70 and you're satisfied, a 70 or higher, and you're satisfied with it, you can just mark this assignment as done, and you're done with it. And we'll move on to the next unit next week. Finally, number 3, our last assignment for this week, the return of Odysseus quick ride. So last week you did a quick ride about the journey of Odysseus. This week you're going to do a quick ride about Odysseus' return to Ithaca. So this is to finish up our pre-writing to prepare for our first full-blown essay. So you will again click on the link to No Red Ink, and it will take you to an assignment called The Return of Odysseus Quick Write, and it will work exactly like this Odysseus journey. It's at least 75 words, although that is not a good length for this assignment. It should be longer than that. The prompt will be here. There will be a couple of focus points here, and you will put your writing here. If you're not able to finish it in one go, you can save it and exit. If you are able to finish it, then you click Submit Writing, and you will be done with the assignment and come back and mark it as done. Remember, this is not an essay yet. It will be either next week or the week after next. We will start on the actual essay. And both of these different quick writes that you've done, if you've done a good enough job with them, you will be able to just take sections of these quick writes and put them straight into your essay, and it will really cut down on the amount of work that you have to do on your essay. All right, so that's it for this week. If you have any questions about any of these assignments, make sure that you email me as soon as you can. Try not to email me after 8 o'clock because I do not respond to emails after 8 o'clock unless I can tell that it's an emergency. Y'all have a good week, I hope you had a nice long weekend, and I will see you soon, or at least talk to you soon.